downward momentum has occurred. Oh my god. And yeah, in general, hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel, a professional trader with 3 years of experience, and on my channel you can find the most effective strategies for trading that suit even beginners. And right now I'm gonna tell you about my really trend strategy with which you can easily make great money. Today we'll see the strategy that suits for every types of movement, downtrend, uptrend, whatever. We don't need this volatility of the market. There are 5 kinds of signals in the strategy and it's absolutely true by 80%. So today we'll see lots of new. Let's go to the trading. So my dears, we're already on the broker on the balance of $30, yeah, and it's from this amount that we'll accelerate our deposit today. We're gonna open deals as usual on 1 minute time frame and all the necessary currency pairs with the most optimal payout percentage and volatility already analyzed, yes, and selected. So let's start selecting today's indicators. Finally, yeah, today we have a very interesting strategy using a double downtrend channel. The first one will be with a period of 20. Yeah, we'll add the visual immediately. The second one will be set to a period of 10, yeah. And we also change the visual. And now we see our 2 channels and see how the price moves inside them. And today we'll add a fractal, a local high and low, and our extreme points. Yeah, today we'll learn how to determine this. Yeah, then we will add the mood of our market, and we will have a versatile CSS leader with a period of 15. So here is our selection, the full selection of indicators for today. So it's pretty simple strategy, I guess. With proper application, I promise you we will have an excellent profit every day that you will trade. Yeah, you can calmly go into the plus. So well, in the course of my trading, I think I won't delay. You will understand how to enter a deal correctly and generally look for the signal itself. The most interesting thing is ahead of us, so let's get started and pick up our first trade entry. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram where I'm sharing my mood, my lifestyle, my emotions, and other trading stuff with you there. And I also have a VIP club where I make my private trading with my VIP traders. And guys, if you're a beginner in this field and you don't know how signals work in open group and VIP chat, just hear me now. I write the currency pair and the time transaction and direction of the deal, up or down, and you just copy this on your devices. It may be laptops or smartphones, whatever. And almost every day I get a positive feedback from my traders in my VIP chat. So guys, if you want to be a part of my team of privileged traders, just write me a direct message and I will respond to you with pleasure. Here we are going to open an up trade, good touch point. We have now recorded the first update of the extreme point. This is our price low. We also have a good touch point. The 2 moving lines of our channel indicators also touch, yeah. That is, in simple words, we have an indicator with a period of 10 in the form of yellow and another indicator in the form of blue, yeah. There is double touch after the formation of a new extreme point. We open a trade in the opposite direction and we'll expect an exit from the oversold area on our solida. So good entry point. Last seconds before the completion of our deal, and our deal closes without problems in plus. I think in this case you understand how to work with this strategy and how to open up trades. The trend doesn't matter, yeah, but if the opening of a deal takes place with an upward trend and opening for increase, then this is an additional plus in the piggy bank, yeah. And we see that we have a dodgy candlestick due to which our price has gone down, so we immediately reopen the deal again for a raise, yeah. So let's fix the second profitable deal, I guess. Yeah. Everything was also very simple. The candle rolled back and a doji candle formed, and I think that is why our candle also went up, and we immediately opened the second deal without any problems. I think in general everything it was simple. Yeah, let's watch the result of the dynamic of our candle. And the second transaction is also closed without any problems in the plus. This is the principle of entering a trade for increase. Yeah, let me remind you again. The trend doesn't matter. But if you open according to the trend, then in general it's an additional percentage of the probability of winning for each signal. So let's now try to open a trade for fall. I'll demonstrate how the indicator should behave while opening a trade for fall. So let's pick the next currency pair. Let's open an up trade here, and now I'll show you why we need exactly two downchain channels with different periods. Yeah, let's select the working area right away, and here I will mark the touch of our channel indicator with a period of 10 and the touch of its lower moving average. When we have a trend up and down and weak volatility prevails on the chart, this is why we need this indicator with a period of 10, because we can also see the touch of the lower moving average, its formation of new extreme points and exit from the oversold area. So here's such an interesting signal, and also fully operational, as you can see for yourself. And what a strong downward momentum has occurred. Oh my god. And yeah, in general, the deal closed positively. We see that the influence of some trading use almost prevented us from closing the deal in the red. Here we see the touch of the lower moving average, so we opened the deal again for increase again in the same way as we opened the first and the second deal for sure. A new extreme point is formed. Due to the trading use, it went down, so we opened an up trade on the formation of a new local low, and it seems to be that we're lucky again here with about 25 seconds left. Yeah, let's watch the result, my dears. And as I said, our next trade is also closed in plus. That is, he already had 100% signal, and I think we have definitely consolidated the lesson of how to properly open up trades. Yeah, very complex volatility prevails today on every currency pair, so I still cannot find a 100% down trade. But I repeat once again, you understand how to open up trades. Yeah, therefore please write in the comments, yeah, how do you like this strategy. Yeah, and be sure to try that, and you can also write me in Telegram. We can discuss this theme, yeah, about this strategy, of course. So it will be nice both for me and for you, I guess. So you can find the link in the description of this video. And let me remind you that I have free signals with accuracy of more than 70%. Yeah, you can join us and earn money, great big money with us together. So for now, let's continue our analysis and select the next currency pair. And here we'll open the deal for a fall, open by the principle of touch. Downchain channel with a period of 10. We have already done this. We just open a deal for increase. Now, in our case, we see another touch of the upper moving average, yeah, and after this rollback, of the price from the given local low and the extreme point, we will expect the formation of a new point. And in fact, after its formation, I expect slight rollback to the downside. Everything is also simple here. It's the same, absolutely. When I got it here by the oscillator, because the movement is inside the channel, we got it by the oscillator only when there is a double touch of the moving lines. But in general, here is another positive close deal for you, only for fall and absolutely according to the same entry principle. Yeah, it was absolutely easy, and as I told you, the strategy comes with both trend dynamics and flat dynamic. Yeah, in our case there was a flat dynamics here and we were ready for it. We opened a deal in the right direction, and now a new local high has formed. Yeah, and the deal is closed in plus. Yeah, but we're gonna continue the trading and select the next currency pair. Okay, let's open an up trade here. We have formed a good touching point here. We can single out this level of our support area, and there is first touch, second touch, and a third touch, which we should also work out. Here is the same. There are two moving lines above channel indicator that also touches here, and we also see here the upcoming exit from the oversold area. So let's look at the result until the dynamics of the movement suits me. The price moves near the opening level. I think we should exit. And the next deal closes in plus. Okay guys, let me tell you one small detail. When a very volatile movement prevails in us, these candles have very long bodies and the movement is impulsive enough here that to some extent it's better to open deals a little ahead of the curve. Have you seen that? There was an intersection just now, but we opened the deal a little in advance, yeah, since we already saw a touch and now it's not entirely clear where the price will go, yeah, but you see, it goes down. If we open the deal now, it will be a mistake, but since we are very erudite, yeah, in trading, and we understand the dynamics of the movement, so we correctly open a deal and close it in plus without any problems. So let's change the amount of the value, put 577 and open two trades for $577 for each one. Let's continue the trading and pick the next currency pair. Here are two deals will be opened for fall. I really hope you remember the principle of entry which we have already discussed with you. We also open trades both for fall and increase in this case. So let's consolidate our material and we'll open two short trades. And let me remind you once again that we don't look at our CCI because since the movement has a non-standard character, we look at the intra-channel movement of our indicators, and we see here the touching of our doji channel with a period of 10, the formation of a new extreme point, and that's why we made an opening in the price rollback here. Yeah, it was necessary to open it a little earlier, but right at the end of the shadow, yeah, I think it's quite a good entry, and we have the last seconds left, and what do we expect for, guys? Yeah, our deals are close in plus. As I said, opening trade on the touch of the upper moving average would have been much more convincing. Yeah, but we missed the correct level entry a little bit. But we opened correctly and fixed the trade in plus, yeah. So to fix the result, let's open two more transactions in the amount of thousands of dollars, yeah, and see what happens next. So let's pick the final currency pair. And here we have the opening of two deals that are going up. Once again, we'll fix the material opening deals, focusing on the downtrend channel, yeah, with a period of 10. As I said again, today is a rather non-standard movement. It has a very volatile character. This is usually not typical for the chart, yeah. But today there is a lot of trading news, I guess. So we are here again. Yeah, let's focus on our downtrend channel with a period of 10. Okay, we again see the touches of the lower moving average and the formation of a new extreme point. And this is a really good touching point for opening a buy deal. So, however, last time we didn't do that, but you have even formed an exit from the oversold area. So we also make sure once again that the deal is correct, that the signal is correct, and you already see the result. Yeah, the closing deals are closing plus. My congratulations, my dears. Rollback has occurred. I'm very pleased with the result. I think on this result I'll probably end my trading today. So thank you all of you for being with me, yeah, all this time. Be sure to write a comments or in my Telegram, how do you like this strategy? Please really try this to use, yeah. I will leave the link to the broker in the description of the video. Go there, register, and you also can try your hand in demo account. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course be sure to like this video, write comments, and we'll be very pleased. And of course don't forget about my Telegram group where I'm sharing my lots of useful information, yeah, trading stuff and trading signals, and it's really free. So all the links you'll find below this video. So have a good day everyone, see you soon.